Hey guys, and welcome back to the STN Crash Course series on Sergei Eisenstein's graphic conflicts. Today, we're focusing on the very first one, and that's conflict of lines. The conflict of lines is the conflict of vertical lines juxtaposed with horizontal lines, either in the foreground or the background. Also, characters are often used to create one of these two lines. Here are some examples of that type of shot. For more on Eisenstein's graphic conflicts or other Crash Course videos, please visit our social media and our website at studenttelevision.com.